All right. Welcome everyone to Math 111. My name is Dr. Nana Boateng, and I'll be your instructor for this class. So what I want to do in this video is to quickly walk you through the syllabus for the class, and if there are any questions that you have, you can send me an email afterwards. So this is just a brief overview. I have already uploaded the syllabus on D2L in an announcement. And so if you go to D2L, if you go to College Algebra, the syllabus is already here. So I will upload it again in case you do not see it or in case you missed it. I will upload it afterwards, also after this announcement. All right, so let's go back to overview of the syllabus. So as I said, my name is Dr. Nana Boateng, and this is my email on the syllabus, and this is also my Teams contact. And so the best way to get to me is mostly by email. If you send me an email through from Monday to Friday, usually I would return it mostly before 24 hours. I mostly return my emails within the day, at most at 2. So the best way to get in touch is to send me an email, and I will respond to any queries that you have. And if you are sending me an email, please make sure you use your GGC email. Don't use any unofficial emails. I wouldn't respond to any emails that comes from any unofficial source. If you're communicating with me, please make sure you use your GGC email, and in the email, in the subject of the email, write the class that you are in, Math 111. Then you add the what other subject it is of the email. So you do that. Please stick to using official emails and avoid sending any email with an unofficial Yahoo or Gmail, because those kinds of emails will not be responded to. So technology will be used for this class. Everything in this class is about technology. All the work, the homework, the assignments, and the tests are all mostly on Pearson. And you can get to Pearson by using D2L. If you go to my courses on Brightspace by D2L, you will find this class, and mostly all the resources and other information. I will be posting them as announcements on D2L. So make sure you log into D2L every day. And the expectation is that you would have access to a computer resource. You have your own laptop or desktop that you're using for your academic studies in this class. And if you don't, there are computer labs available on campus that you can use when you need to. This is a core impact class, meaning it's part of the mathematics, quantitative skills, area kind of class. And there are some, the overall goal of this class is that you'll be able to apply some mathematical and computational knowledge to interpret, evaluate, communicate information, and using verbal, numerical, graphical, or symbolic forms. So that's like the overall objective of the class. By the end of this class, we hope you would achieve such kind of skill. And in terms of the class details, this is Math 111, Section 2, and it's a 3-credit hour class, as you may know already. And we meet asynchronously, meaning we don't have a specific time that we define as our meeting time. So as need be, we can arrange a meeting as need be, and all our meetings are going to be online using either Teams or Zoom. This class ends after 12 December, after 10th of December 2024. And you should be aware, online uploaded class, the test for the class, since everything is online, the test for the class may be monitored using the Respondus lockdown browser, Respondus, or the Respondus monitor. And so whatever laptop you are using, you have to make sure you have a webcam, because the Respondus monitor requires a webcam. So if for any exam, the settings includes it being protected, then you will need a webcam and also the Respondus lockdown browser, which is a special browser that prevents you from opening any other page once you open it up and you begin working on a test. It prevents you from logging into any other website or looking into any other website. So if you don't have the Respondus monitor on your laptop already, make sure you have it downloaded and installed. If you need any assistance, please get in touch with the IT services, and they will be able to assist you. They will be able to assist you with that. All right, so like I said, everything, all the homework, assignments, and other tasks that are assigned will be done on my math lab. So you need to sign on to my math lab and get and get set up, so you can, the class is already set up on my math lab. To get to my math lab, you can go to D2L, the homepage for the course, and I have provided a link on the right here that you see, my lab link. If you click on it, it's going to lead you straight to Pearson, my math lab, and you can make sure you go through this as soon as possible and be able to see all the homework that is assigned, so that if there are any troubles, we can look into it. So you need access to my math lab, because that is where all the homework and all the assignments are going to be. So you need access so you can access it. And I should say that once you have access to my math lab, it is your responsibility to log in every day to make sure you are keeping track of all the due dates for all the homework and all the assigned tasks. So you have to log into my lab every day to make sure you are well abreast with all the due dates that are approaching. And the textbook for the class is Algebra and Trigonometry, 7th edition, Blitzer Pearson. And you would have an e-version of the book on my lab. Once you have access, you have an e-version of the book. So you may not need to purchase a physical hard copy. A hard copy may not be necessary unless you so desire to have one. But a soft copy of the book will be available on Pearson. So you can, once you have access to my lab, you can take a look at the soft copy of the book. And the grading scale is the standard grading scale. 90 to 100 is an A, 89 is a B, 70 to 79 is C, 60 to 69 is also a D. And the grading percentages would be homework would account for 30%. We would have 4 tests, test 1, test 2, test 3, and the final exam. And the vote will account for 15, 20, 15, and 20% respectively. And make sure all late work policy, make sure all assigned tasks are completed within the stipulated time. A request to submit an assigned task may be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. If I approve you to submit a late work, it would attract a penalty, including points deduction. And it is your duty to log into my lab every day to keep track of deadlines for each assigned task. So not logging into my lab is no excuse for submitting any task late. Your duty is to sign into my lab every day to make sure you are keeping track of the deadlines for each of the assigned tasks. And the final exam will be given in the finals week, which is from December 4th to December 10th. So during that time, we will also have our finals, and you would receive further instructions as the date draws near. And these are some important dates. The class runs from August 12th, so the classes begin August 12th. Add or drop periods is August 18th. We have Labor Day coming up on September 2nd. We have the October 10th for midterm grades are due, and etc. So make sure you are taking notice of these important dates, which would affect how we operate the class. Okay, so these are all other standard information that is being given to us by the School of College of Science. Class attendance is similar for all other classes. Makeup policy, technology policy, academic integrity, plagiarism and artificial intelligence. These are all issues you should be addressing yourself with. All work that is submitted should be original. It should be something that you have worked on. No plagiarism allowed in any way possible. And these are some examples of academic dishonesty. Presenting circumstances such as illness when you are not ill, misrepresenting or falsifying material, using unauthorized materials during an exam, overusing quotations in the written work, they are all unacceptable. There's disability services. If you qualify for disability, you make sure you get in touch with the disability office, and they will also get in touch with me, and we'll be able to arrange any necessary accommodations that you require because of your disability. So these other ones are all pretty standard information. One thing that I want to also quickly mention is the academic support services. Let me scroll to the information on that. There is academic support services that offer free tutoring to GGC students. So the Academic Enhancement Center. The Academic Enhancement Center is located in the W Building 1160 and they host several academic resources that is designed to help you achieve your goals. These resources include both in-person and virtual tutoring, as well as peer supplemental instruction. So there is free tutoring that is available to GGC students, and I strongly encourage you to make visits to the Academic Enhancement Center to get tutoring, especially for an online class where the professor is not in front of you every day for you to be able to ask your questions. I will strongly encourage that you make visits to the Academic Enhancement Center to get free tutoring assistance on solving homework problems, and assistance in explaining any other topic that you believe may not have been well explained to you. I would encourage you to make visits to the Academic Enhancement Center. And also, I will be posting videos on the topics that we look at for every week. And so I will send out an announcement once I post any video that explains any section that we are looking at for the week. And I will also be posting other video resources that were not done by me, by other people. I'll be posting all that. So this brings us to the end of the process of going through the syllabus. If you have any questions, make sure you get in touch with me. You can send me an email, and I will respond to any other questions you have with regards to the syllabus or with regards to any other issue concerning the class. All right. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.